News topping the 10 tonight. Multiple children being treated for burns after a fireworks accident at a Whitehaven apartment complex. Hello, I'm Greg Hurst. Stephanie is off tonight. WRAG's Brian Didlake is live this evening at Le Bonheur Children's Hospital, and he's been following new developments. Brian, what have you learned?
Well, Greg, Memphis Fire says 3 children were hurt in this incident and 1 is listed as critical, and they're all being treated here at Le Bonheur Children's Hospital. The other 2 are expected to be okay, but we spoke with management at the apartment complex off camera and we're told it shouldn't have happened in the first place. Memphis Fire Department says it responded to the New Horizon Gardens apartment complex just after 3 this afternoon for reports of multiple people burned. When fire and EMS arrived, first responders say they found 3 children burned. Apartment managers say the kids were firing rocket cannons at one another. Officials say 1 child is in critical condition, 2 others hurt as they are now being treated at Le Bonheur. We spoke off camera with the apartment's property management who say they called first responders. Management tells me it was their security officers who reportedly were the ones that stopped the incident from going any further and treated the kids before EMS arrived. One manager tells me the complex has a clause in its leasing agreements forbidding fireworks on the property. It's why management says there were no block parties or fireworks shows on the 4th of July. The complex tells me that they had new management and provided me with this binder saying that they recently upgraded their security measures to keep residents safe. In the binder, it details upgraded security measures and says security guards will be wearing body cameras and conducting ID checks. The complex says it's doing its best to protect its tenants and crack down on crime in the area. And now, going forward, property management tells me it'll have its sights set on fire code violations, hoping to prevent something like this in the future. We're live in the medical district. Brian Didlake, WRAG, for your news leader, News Channel 3.
All right, wishing those kids a speedy recovery. Brian, thanks.